Hey guys, I have a very special guest for today's video. This is my dad, Charles. And we thought it would be really cool to make a video on stretches that you can do with your parents at home. So he'll be showing some modifications, and I'll be showing poses that can take it a little bit deeper if you choose to.
Okay. Cool.
So all you need are 2 mats and to be near a couch, because we'll use the couch for modifications. And of course, at all times, just listen to your body and do what feels good for you and your parents. Let's get started. So to warm up our spine, we'll take a few rounds of our cat-cows. Just come on to all fours, hands and knees. Line up your wrists underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips. As you inhale, arch your spine, lift your chin, lift your chest, look up. And then as you exhale, reverse it, tuck the chin to your chest and round. Let's take 4 more rounds. Inhaling to arch the spine. And then exhaling to round, look to your belly button. Inhaling to lift. Feeling stretch in the throat. Exhaling to round. Feeling stretch in the neck. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhaling. Feel stretch in the back of the chest. Exhale. Come on back to a neutral spine. And then as you exhale, press your hips to your heels for a child's pose. Reach your arms forward for a stretch, and then relax everything to the mat. Elbows and forehead. If there's any pressure or too much pressure on the knees, just walk yourself a little bit forward and relax your forehead and your elbows so that you're not putting too much pressure on the knees. Otherwise, working your way for hips to your heels. We'll take a couple of breaths here. As you inhale, feel for the back inflate. And then as you exhale, press your hips towards your heels. Another breath in, inflating into where my hands would be, in the back of the shoulders. And then as you exhale, relaxing everything. And then one more breath. Inhale. And exhale. Return yourself back into center and have your parents turn to face their couch. The hands will cup the edge of the couch and then tuck your back toes. Lift the knees and take it into a down dog or a modified down dog with the couch. Allow your head to drop in between the biceps and continue to push the couch or the mat away from you so that you're really stretching the hamstrings. Knees bent for this is perfectly fine. Lift your tailbone up and back as you press your tail up and back. More important than grounding the heels is the tail lifting up and back. Breathe in. And breathe out. Take 2 more breaths. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath. Knees return down on the exhale. With the couch as a modification, walk your arms forward until the elbows come to the couch. For you, if you're on the floor, the elbows are down in front of you. Interlace your hands and then sink yourself down. Forehead can rest down to the mat, or it can even be your chin and your chest. And if you would like to deepen it, you can start to move your hands towards the back of your head for a deeper shoulder stretch. Breathing in and breathing out. Slowly release it. Come on back. And then we'll switch to sit facing away from the couch. For this next series, we'll sit with ourselves close to the couch and just go ahead and let your back relax against it. Feels good? Your legs can be out and try and keep them somewhat with the toes pointing up. Interlace your hands behind your head. Take a breath into the ribs. And then exhale, just open yourself back, stretching the upper back. Try to relax your elbows. Try to think, feels so good. And then slowly come on back. Take your hands to the couch and then push the couch away. Lift your chest. If you need to bend your knees, you can. And then we'll take our hamstring stretch. If your knees are all the way down, that's fine. But otherwise, you can bend the knees. And then keep pressing your chest up. More important than pressing it down. Chest is up. Yeah. Try to relax your shoulders and just breathe. Great. Return it back, and then we'll just lie down to rest. We're going to lie down facing the couch. So sit close to the couch and just lay yourself all the way down with your feet resting up on the couch and your knees bent. If you need to adjust, you can scoot closer to the couch for a deeper stretch. Or you can be further away for a less deep stretch. To start, we'll just bend our knees and take them wide. Yeah, and they can be hooking the couch for easier, or you can step it to the edge of the couch for a deeper stretch. Hands inner thighs and peeling them open for a modified happy baby pose. Feeling happy?
No.
You're not supposed to say that. And just resting here. Important thing is to press your tailbone down into the mat. So if you feel like the butt is lifting up, press your tailbone down. And if it's any discomfort because the floor is too hard, you can always pad it up with pillows or cushions. From there, you're just going to let your left knee hook to the edge of the couch, relaxing your leg, and hands interlace behind your right knee. Pull your thigh into your chest, and then as much as you would like, you can start to straighten the leg up. Now you might just stay here if you're tight, especially if your parents are tight, just have them stay here. Otherwise, you could take the hands around the foot to stretch it up higher. How's that feel? Make sure you're still breathing. Inhale. And then exhale, start to release it. Take the ankle on top of your thigh. Right hand to the inner thigh, just pressing it away. You can stay here, or if you want it deeper, step your foot to the edge of the couch. Press your tailbone down instead of letting your butt lift. Let your right thigh slide outside of your left, crossing your knees, and just let the knees fall towards the left. Extend your right arm and look to your right. So this is a modified twist, breathing in and breathing out. And then we'll come on back to center, release both knees. Let the right knee hook the couch, hands interlace under your left, pull the thigh into your chest, and then start to extend it up. As much as is comfortable for you, don't force anything. And then as you would like, you can reach the hands around the foot. Melt your shoulders down into the mat. Relax your shoulders and breathe. Cross the ankle on top of your right thigh, hand to the inner left thigh, pressing your thigh away. And only if you would like to take it deeper, you can step your right foot to the edge of the couch and press your tailbone down. Should feel a nice stretch in the outer hip. From here, knees away from you, slide your left knee outside of the right. Both feet are on the couch. And then just let your knees drop to the right. Extend your left arm, look to the left. Breathing in. And breathing out. Come on back to center. Release both knees side by side. And this is just an extra little bit of core if you would like it. Take your hands behind your head, interlock the fingers. You can stay here, just relax, or take a breath in. And let's take crunches. Breathe out to lift the upper back. Inhale, down, and then exhaling to lift. Inhale, exhale for 3. Let's go for 10. Down, 4 up, down, 5, 5 more, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, 1 more, down, 10. Bonus round, stay up, hands to the knees, holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lay down. Let your knees fall to the right. And then from here, you can press up to a nice, comfortable seat. Okay, so that was it. How do you feel?
Feel good. Okay. I'm the expert.
He's the expert. So I hope you guys found that helpful. I hope you'll enjoy it with your parents and to bring a little bit of lightness into their lives as well. And fun for you. It's great to get the whole family involved. If you guys have questions, you can ask below. If you want more, I have online classes on my Patreon and Vimeo. It's all linked below. Check them out if you're interested. And if you found this helpful, hit that like and hit that subscribe. Until next time, guys.
Janice and Charles, go.